Thinking of starting a YouTube channel but unsure if it's the right move? In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons why you should start your YouTube channel today. And spoiler alert, it's not about getting rich off content. Hi guys, I'm Crystal and welcome back to the channel. If you've been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, this video is for you. I'm about to share 5 reasons why you should hit record and start your YouTube channel today. And trust me, it's not all about making money. So let's get started. Number 1, let's share your passions. There are so many different types of creators: artists, DIY enthusiasts, hunters, fishermen, and even people teach you how to keep your home clean. Why not you share your passion with the rest of the world? Whether it's fitness, cooking, tech, YouTube is the perfect place for you to showcase what you love. And on top of that, you will find others that love it just like you. Which leads me to number 2, build a community. One of the best parts about YouTube is the ability to connect with others that share the same interests as you. Whether it's through comments, through live streams, or collaborations, you can meet incredible people from all over the world who will support you and your content because they get you. It's like finding your tribe of people. Reason number 3, developing new skills. The amount of skills that you develop from starting a YouTube channel isn't just about sitting in front of the camera and talking. You're gonna learn so much: editing, lighting, scripting, marketing, just to name a few. And these are skills that you can use in all areas of your life. And don't get me started on the soft skills that you learn from starting a YouTube channel. And it's so rewarding to see your growth over time. Know that it was you who built this huge entity, if that's your overall plan. Reason number 4 is personal growth. Putting yourself out there on YouTube pushes you way out of your comfort zone. And that's when all of the special things happen. Over time, your confidence will go through the roof, and it won't just be in front of the camera, it will be in every other area of your life. Reason number 5, creative freedom and expression. YouTube is a place to be completely you. Not the version of you are at work, not the version you are of you at church, not your version of you at your parents' house. You, your complete authentic self. Whether you're starting to create travel vlogs, tutorials, or even make short films, YouTube is a platform that lets you express yourself in ways that are totally unique to you. And it's those reasons that I feel like you should start your YouTube channel today. No matter your age, no matter your interest, it's not just about making money or becoming famous. It's about sharing your passions, growth, and connections. So if you're ready to get started, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on growing your channel, and let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.